Hey, good morning. I'm Ron Timmermans, one of the hosts with the Florida Aviation Network, and you are about to see the next version of Plane Time. And along with the live broadcasts that we're doing, we have a number of viewing parties throughout the country, or throughout Florida for sure, with hosts that are welcoming the viewing parties. I want to at least acknowledge them. These are viewing parties with the affiliates for the Florida Aviation Network. In the Jacksonville area with the Civil Air Patrol, we have Bill Stuhl and Joel Weiner. In South Lakeland, Terry Kurtz. She was going to be at the studio today, but I haven't seen her yet. Ben Coleman from the Green Swamp, but he is going to be in the studio today as well. George Bartuska and Glenn Sims in Lakeland with the Civil Air Patrol. Paul Adrian and John Weber from Leesburg with EA Chapter 534. Barbara Phillips and Dave Conrad in Orlando with EA Chapter 74. That's my home chapter with EA, so Barbara, Dave, hope you're watching with us today. Bob Jex, normally with the Orlando FSDO, but he's going to be one of our guests today, or our guest today, in the Ormond Beach area. Vicki Sherman is hosting an affiliate watching party with the Civil Air Patrol. Spruce Creek, we have Mr. Keith Phillips, who represents Chapter 288 of the Experimental Aircraft Association, and he's helping the viewing affiliates there in the Spruce Creek area. Deborah Van Truren at Titusville with EA Chapter 866. Welcome to you and all of your affiliates. I was at your chapter wings presentation last Saturday. We had a good turnout there, it looked like, and so glad that you're joining us today as one of the affiliates. Brenna Wright in Sanford with the Naval Air Station's Sanford Information Headquarters. Brenna, a member of the Florida Aviation Network, thank you for hosting an affiliate's viewing party. Bill McClung in Tampa with the National Aviation Safety Foundation and Florida Aviation Network. Bill, thanks for joining us today. Andrew Crossman in Tampa with the Tampa FSDO. Good to have you and all the folks that are watching from the Tampa area today. Dennis Hayes, Fort Myers, and the EA chapter there, thank you. Good to have you along with us. And William or Billy Hadaway in Birmingham with the Birmingham FSDO. So outside of the state of Florida, although I know Birmingham FSDO has some territory in the state of Florida, also an affiliate viewing party today. So it's good to have all of you folks getting together to watch the Plane Time show, and then being able to interact within your group in and after, during and after the presentation. So I think there will be a lot in it for you. So thank you so much for joining us. These are the Florida Aviation Network affiliate viewing parties.